Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create custom shapes in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Canva design where you want to add the custom shape. Once your design is loaded, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see various options listed there and you need to click on Apps. This section gives you access to a wide range of Canva's integrated tools and extensions that enhance your design capabilities. After clicking on Apps, a panel will appear showing all available applications. At the top of this Apps panel, you'll notice a search bar. Click on it and type Combo. This is a powerful app specifically designed for creating and manipulating custom shapes, allowing you to go beyond Canva's default shape options. Once you've typed Combo, the app will appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on the Combo app to open it. This will launch the Combo interface within Canva, giving you access to all its shape creation and editing features. Now, within the Combo panel, you'll see various basic shapes you can work with. Click on the shapes you want to add to your design. These are your starting points, and you can add multiple shapes to combine or modify them later. The beauty of Combo is that it lets you transform simple shapes into something completely unique. Next, drag the shapes you've selected to place them where you want on your canvas. Position them strategically based on what kind of custom shape you're trying to create. You can overlap them, align them side by side, or arrange them however you envision your final design. After placing your shapes, you'll notice small points or handles around them. Drag these points to adjust the shape's curves and edges. This is where you can really start customizing, smoothing out corners, creating unique curves, or adjusting the overall form to match your creative vision. Take your time here to get the exact look you want. Once you have multiple shapes positioned, select 2 or more shapes to perform various actions. Combo gives you powerful options like Union, which merges shapes together, Subtract, which removes one shape from another, Intersect, which keeps only the overlapping areas, or Exclude, which removes the overlapping parts. These options let you create complex, professional-looking custom shapes that would be impossible with standard tools. When you're completely satisfied with your custom shape and all the adjustments you've made, click Add to Design. This will finalize your custom shape and add it directly to your canvas as a single element that you can now resize, recolor, or move around just like any other Canva element. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom shape in Canva using the Combo app, giving your designs a unique and professional touch. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.